I love my Ego leaf blower and trimmer. I was looking for tools that were lighter weight and were easy to start. The gas powered trimmer kind of scares me, to be honest. So you can see this one has the shield on it and it's a rapid release and it has the nice handle, and I'm going to show both of these in use, but you can see you press both of those green levers together to get it to start, and the battery goes in the back, and it's a smaller battery, so that makes it lighter weight, which I really like, and it still lasts a long enough time for me. I've never ran out of battery power. Look at the charger, it's easy to slide the battery on, and once it's on there, once it's fully charged, you can see that green light. And then here is the battery in the trimmer. So it's really easy. You just press that green lever to release it, pop it right out, and then put it right back in. And I will show you how this works. So you hold down both of those green levers, and this works awesome. As you can see, I'm going to trim the grass around my fire pit patio area, and it works awesome. It works really smoothly. And that shield on there helps to protect my legs, and also has the really comfortable handle, which is padded, so I grab that right here so you can make it, or it makes it easier to use the trimmer. Here is the leaf blower. It has a normal mode. The battery's in the back, which you can see that green lever to release, slide it right back on and press it down and make sure it clicks, and you are good to go. So it has just a regular mode. You can adjust the mode, and you can do the turbo also, so you can see that's where you adjust it. So I just have it on regular mode now, and it's blowing the dirt very easily, and then I put it on turbo mode and it really blows the dirt a lot. And then I also adjust the lever to faster or lighter or stronger. So it works really great for patios or maybe you need to clean leaves out of the back of your truck, whatever you need. And it's not too heavy for me, which is nice. But I would definitely recommend these two products. I have been loving them so much.